Hey guys, well I finished the project. Let me give you a demonstration on how it works. First you just roll your bike up after you take the front wheel off and just mount the front forks to the front mount. You don't really have to tighten it all the way down, but it does help if it's at least snug to you know, keep the bike in place a bit. Then just lift it up and put this right under the bottom bracket. Actually, I guess you should snug this up after you set the bottom bracket mount. There. And that's it. And this bottom bracket mount's really pretty heavy. So that's nice. It's fairly stable. Yeah, you could knock the thing down, of course, but you know, it's up there pretty good. So I think I'm happy with the way the project came out. I think it's going to work for me. I might raise the back end up a little bit and maybe put kind of a rectangle piece here so there's a bit more allowance for front and back, and also to raise it up a bit. Well, maybe I'll just leave it like this and see how it works, see if I have any problems with it.